Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ma'am Sumiya and I teach social studies in Black Castle. Students, I am glad to be here with you today. Open your books, page number 8. Today we are going to discuss about some body parts. You will repeat after me. Let's get started. Our first word is head. Head. Hair. Eye. Nose. Ear. Cheek. Mouth. You eat food with the help of mouth. Chin. Neck. Garden. Arm. Hand. Elbow. Kohni. Thigh. Ran. Knee. Gutna. While pronouncing knee, the K is silent. Calf. Pindali. And the last word is foot. Palm. Now you will label all the body parts on your notes, page number 8. Or you can also draw a diagram on your notebooks and then you can label all the body parts with the help of your book. Then you will learn all the name of body parts along with the spellings. This is all for today. Till the next lecture, this is me, your teacher, signing off. Allah Hafiz.